Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate how you can remediate a problem that comes about when you connect your USB device or hardware and your VMware fails to pick them up. Let me show you what I have here on my computer. So if I go to my Windows Explorer, I can see that I've got a USB version of a hard drive attached and it's been designated as F drive. And if I were to launch my VMware and under the player, under removable devices, I don't see any hard drive in here, right? Just as a demonstration, I'm gonna hook up a USB thumb drive on my USB port here. There you go. As you can see on the Explorer side, you can see that the USB drive has been assigned E drive. But if I go to my player here, removable device, I don't see any thumb drive here. So how do you remediate that? Let me show you how to do it. So first of all, you're gonna have to launch your Windows services. So you press Windows button here. By the way, I have Windows 11 here, so Windows button here, and then type services, and you click on this one here and look for VMware USB Arbitration Services. So this one has to be running before VMware can pick up any USB driver or devices that's connected to your computer. So I'm gonna go ahead and double click this guy here. I've set it up as automatic, right? Just for this demonstration I stopped it. I'm gonna hit start here. Once started, click OK. You can see it's running. I'm gonna close this guy here. And next, what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to stop your VMware Player. If you look at your player here and go to removable device, you still do not have that particular F drive and E drive, which is your thumb drive and your portable hard drive. So I'm gonna go ahead and stop my VMware. Okay, I'm gonna relaunch the VMware now again, one more time. Once the VMware starts, go to your player again, and this time around you can see there's a whole lot of USB devices and thumb drives that's on your VMware Player. Right, so I'm just gonna disconnect the E drive here. It's gone, right? Disconnect it, and you can see probably the thumb drive is not there anymore. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 devices, right? So if I were to put in my thumb drive here, you can see that the USB device is now detected on a VMware, and you can actually opt it to connect it to your virtual machine. And then now you have an F drive on your VMware, right? So if you go player, you go removable devices, you can see that there's one more USB mass storage in there. I hope this tutorial helps. If it does, please subscribe and like. Other than that, have a good day. Bye now.